Hi everyone, welcome to our PySpark for Data Engineering series videos. So today is the day 11 of our video and today we are going to practice group by and aggregations in PySpark. In data engineering, we often need summarized data like total sales, average salary, or number of employee per department. This is done using group by and aggregation functions. So in this video, we will learn how to perform these operations in PySpark. So as you guys know, in every video, we have to start a standard PySpark session. So this code I have already written. So for the day 11, so let's run this code, which is nothing just from PySpark.sql, import Spark session and Spark equals to Spark session.builder.app name, the name of the application, get or create. Okay. So I have ran this code and it will start our standard session. Now the step 2 will be to create a sample data. So I'll just create a sample data, which is, so I'll just create ID, department, comma, salary. This is our one record. We'll create similar 6 records. Okay, just we need to change the values here. Then now we'll create columns. So we have columns as ID, comma, department, comma, sal. Instead of ID, let's write imp ID, imp underscore ID. Okay. Now how we have to create a data frame, you guys already know, but again, let's discuss. So df equals to spark dot create data frame, and we have to define the data and columns. That's it. So now, so let's see the data as well. df dot show. So you'll see the data output here. We have our data. Now the first thing we are going to do is use a group by basic. Group by basic. Okay. So what we will do, we will group by this particular. So here you can see df dot group by. So we will group by this particular data frame by department. And what I need is count of employees. So I'll do just count. After this, I will just do count. And if I do just dot so we'll see department wise count of employees. Okay. We have total 3 departments, which is HR, finance, and IT. We'll see the total number of employees in the each department. Okay. Because it is an aggregation function, it is taking little bit time, but we can see the output. Here you can see for count, we don't need to pass any parameter, but we can pass here the column name, but it is counting based on all. And here we can see in IT, we have 3 employees, in HR 2, and in finance 1 employee. Okay. Now let's use sum. So what I need to do, I need to sum the data frame. So I'll just use df group by based on department. I need to do department wise total salary. So instead of count, I'll just do dot sum. And sum of what? Sum of salary. So I'll just do sum of sal. Okay. After this, I'll just do dot show. You'll be able to see the department-wise total salary. Okay. Now, if we want to do average, let's do the average aggregation as well. ABG. So the same thing, same code. I'll just copy and paste here. And instead of sum, here I'll just use AVG. Okay. Let's run this. So this is the average salary per department. Now, what if we want to do multiple aggregation in a single code? Multiple aggregation. So let's write. First, we have to import functions. Two functions we will be importing from the SQL function. So from PySpark .SQL .functions import sum comma average. Okay, this is what we have imported from the functions. So now I'll just write def group by. So group by will be based on department. Now after that I need to use .agg. Now here first I need to do sum. So I'll just write sum of salary. This column will be alias as, so we'll alias it as total salary because it is a sum of salary. Total sal. Comma, we need average as well. So I'll just write AVG of sal. Okay. And this will be our alias as average salary. Okay. Now in the end of this parenthesis, I'll just do so. Let's see. So based on department, what we did, we have created an aggregation based on multiple aggregation in single code. Okay. So here you can see the total salary based on department and average salary based on department. Okay. Now let's do countDistinct. Let's use countDistinct similar to the SQL. So how you can use countDistinct? So let's use from PySpark .SQL.functions import count distinct. Okay. I'll just do df.select. I need to select the distinct things. So I'll just use countDistinct here based on department. So how many distinct department we have? So let's write .show. Here we can see we have total 3 distinct departments. Okay. Now, what if we want to use aggregation without a group by? How we can do that? So just we don't want a group by, just we want a sum of salary. Aggregation without group by. Okay. So we'll write df.select. And what we need sum of salaries. I'll just use sum sal dot show. So here we can see the total salary in that particular column for all the employees we are getting here. Now, so this is the end of this video, and today what we learned how to use group by, and group by is used for aggregation. So how to aggregate multiple metrics, and how to calculate aggregates like sum, average, and count. In the next video, we will explore the advanced operations, and that will be a wrap-up video because we will be concluding our PySpark for data engineering series videos there. So that will be the day 12 video, and we'll do so many things there. We will use distinct, we will fetch the unique values, we will select specific columns, we will select column by type, we'll get specific rows and other things. So how to add columns from other columns. So many things will be there. So thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's session. Thank you. Bye-bye.